Could Tin Shadows be connected to Heavenly Restriction by fate? Let's talk about it. But first, shout out to Michael for the sponsored video tonight. And I actually scratched out Michael's question because the way it was phrased was spoilery, but I can make this an anime-friendly video. So Michael, I hope that's cool with you and you'll know the distinction I'm talking about. But today's question is, could Megumi and Toji theoretically defeat Mahoraga? I also want to give a quick shout out to Smalls, who has been asking me a similar question about could a Tin Shadows user use a Heavenly Restricted user to help them defeat Mahoraga. Let me start by answering the original question first. Do I think Megumi plus Toji would be strong enough to defeat Mahoraga? Yes, I do. I think there's an argument to be made that Toji could even get the job done by himself as long as he had access to certain weapons. So together, definitely. So could fate connect these two types of users for this very purpose? And obviously Megumi and Toji are clearly connected. But even once Toji passes, we have that void filled by Maki. So not only is the Tin Shadows a Zenin clan technique, but also all known zero cursed energy heavenly restrictions have been in the Zenin clan. Plus, we have precedents in JJK for certain traits or abilities being connected to each other by fate. For example, the Six Eyes, the Star Plasma Vessel, and Tengen. Let's for a second assume they are connected by fate and play this out. How would that even work since we know Megumi has to complete the subjugation alone? Well, it might just be that zero cursed energy is the exception to this rule. Because let's think about it. It's not as if Mahoraga puts on his glasses and takes attendance before the ritual, being like, 1, 2, oh, this one's going to be void. No, it's clearly not up to Mahoraga's discretion. So there must be some universal law at play here, similar to like the way a binding vow is crafted, right? So if that is the case, then cursed energy could very likely be the tag for that. Meaning, if there are more than one cursed energy signature involved in this ritual, then it's void. It has to just be Megumi, right? So that is a lot of assumptions, but if that is the case, then clearly somebody with no cursed energy would not ping on that ritual. So that's kind of the idea at play here. And I love it. However, there is one glaring hole in this theory that we do need to talk about, and that is the fact that Toji is supposedly the first ever human with zero cursed energy, the first one with that specific heavenly restriction. Now, maybe that's not true, right? Maybe just the previous zero cursed energy heavenly restricted users weren't known for whatever reason. You know, maybe they led uneventful lives and they never pinged on the radar for people to know that they existed. However, I find that hard to believe, especially if they are all in the Zenin clan, which they're not necessarily, right? But all the ones we know of are. And with how much of a focus the Zenin clan puts on sorcerers and cursed energy, you would think that if there was somebody like Toji before, they would have known about it. So ultimately, I'm going to have to say that while this is a super fun headcanon, it probably wasn't Gege's intention, but this is one I would love to be proven wrong on.